Good day, sir. Today we're going to talk about the binary search algorithm, which is one of the most efficient ways to search for a value inside a sorted array. Binary search works by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half. Because of this halving process, it becomes much faster than linear search, especially when working with large data sets. First, let's define what binary search is. Binary search is a logarithm search algorithm that operates only on assorted data. It narrows down the search range step by step, allowing us to quickly locate the target value. A very important requirement is that the data must shorted. If the array or collection is unsorted, the algorithm will not work correctly. Binary search also uses divide and conquer strategy, which means it breaks the problem into smaller parts until the solution is found. Now let's talk about how binary search actually works. We begin by identifying low boundaries, the low index at the start of the array and high index at the end. We calculate the midpoint using these two values. After that, we compare the middle element with the target. If the middle element matches the target, then the search is complete. If the target is less than the middle element, we move the left of the array. If the target is greater than the middle element, we move to the right half. We repeat this process, adjusting the low and high boundaries until we either find the target or the boundaries across, which means the value is not in the array. Let's answer the example. Let's search for target plot. Shorted list. 579. 11. N is -1. Well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mag-start tayo sa low is 0. Ang high is 7. Then, para makuha yung middle, 0 plus 7 divide 2, edi 3. Yung 3 is, ang value ay 7. Since yung 7 is less than to 9, i-disregard natin yung left, half. Then, ang bago nating low ay 4. Plus to 4. Ang high is 7. Ang magiging middle natin ay 5. Equals to 5. So, ang value ng middle is 11. Since ang 11 is greater than 9, madi-disregard naman yung right half. So, ang magiging low natin is 4. So, ay 4. Ang height din is 4. Then, ang middle ay 4. 4 plus 4 by 2 plus 4. Middle is 4. Ang value ng 4 ay 9. Since ang 9 ay equals na sa ating target, tapos na. Index 4 ang ating score. May bilang pa naman eh. This example shows how quickly binary search down the search area. Next, let's talk about the algorithm's complexity. So next, let's talk about the algorithm's complexity. In terms of time complexity, binary search runs in O log n time, which is very efficient compared to linear search ON. For space complexity, the iterative version uses O1 space, while the recursive version uses O log n because of the call stack. Binary search scales extremely well as the database gets larger, making it the preferred method for searching in certain collections. Now, for the advantages. Binary search is fast. It reduces the number of comparisons drastically, and its process is structured and predictable. It's also simple enough to implement even for beginners. But it also has limitations. Binary search only works on sorted data, which means extra processing is required if the data is unordered. Sorting can be costly for large data sets. Also in cases where data changes frequently, like when items are constantly inserted or deleted, maintaining a sorted array can be difficult and inefficient. To conclude, binary search is a powerful and efficient algorithm for finding data in sorted arrays. It saves time, improves performance, and is widely used in many real-world applications. Understanding how binary search works help us choose the right approach when dealing with different types of data.